Luigi Mangione has just pleaded not guilty to the federal murder and stalking charges against him for the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson in Midtown Manhattan back in December. Now, this time around, Mangione was wearing a beige prison uniform, not the street clothes that we've been seeing him wearing in some of the state court appearances recently. He had a haircut, he seemed clean shaven, and he did seem pretty calm and in decently good spirits, as he has been at most of the other hearings. He chatted with his attorneys at times. He was even, giggling at some point, smiling with them. And in a really surprising moment in court today, his defense attorney, Karen Friedman Agnifilo, claimed that prosecutors had access to a private phone call between her and her client. She said that the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, which are the state prosecutors, told her that they inadvertently eavesdropped on a portion of that conversation in a recorded phone call that took place while Mangione was in prison. Speaking to Karen Friedman Agnifilo, that recorded phone call was provided to them by the Southern District of New York, which is the federal prosecutors. The federal prosecutors in court said that this person had heard of this, and that yes, while prison phone calls are generally recorded, the judge then gave them a week to write a letter explaining the extent of this error, that this phone call was able to get into the hands of prosecutors and to the ears of prosecutors, and how the federal prosecutors plan to prevent this from happening again. Now, Mangione is due back in federal court in December, many months from now, at which point the judge said that she hopes to set a trial date possibly for 2026. Mangione's attorney said that she really wants the federal case to go before the state case because the federal case is death penalty eligible, and federal prosecutors say they do plan to seek the death penalty, and for that reason his defense attorney wants that federal case to go first.